Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen from vanveenbulbs.com. And in this segment, we're going to talk about how to save seeds from flowers. Now, we enjoy our beautiful flowers, and then they go to seed, and we just kind of hack the seeds out, and we don't actually save them. But, you know, it's really easy to do. And seed pods themselves are kind of beautiful. I love them. These are Lucifer crocosmias, and I even sell them as a seed pod. People like them dried. And as you can see, these are yellow crocosmias. They're gorgeous yellow flowers, and they come in orange and red. And these are starting to become a seed, but they're not quite seed pods yet. It's at the point that they're really dry, and you see all the seeds that you save the seeds. And it's the best way to save the seeds is in a paper box or in an envelope, if it's just a few. And then that way you can mark them and you know what you have. These are Crocosmia lucifer. But I like to save them, and you can see there's just lots and lots of these little red seeds. And the reason that they multiply so much is that plants drop these seeds, and then they make their own babies that develop into bulbs. It's quite amazing. But there's all types of flowers that you can collect the seeds from. See, these are, this is a lily of the Nile, or an agapanthus, and these are the little seed pods from that. And so I'm just saving those seed pods as well. And same thing, I just put them in an envelope. And then you can start them the next spring, or you can leave them right in the envelope or drop them where they're at now. Now this is a liatris. They're beautiful purple flowers, and they make thousands and thousands of seeds. So all of these little pieces are seeds. You mix them all together and have like a mixed area for the next year. Or you can just save them. Or you can just save the whole thing in a paper bag. I've done that too. Just put all of these in paper bags and just let them dry out, and then turn around and plant them in the spring. So every plant has a seed. So you can save all of them this way. And you can mark them and replant them in the spring, or put them right back as soon as they bloom and they're done. Because that's nature's way. They really don't need you to multiply. But it's worth the effort, and it's always fun to give the seeds to your friends as well. And then that way they can enjoy your beautiful flowers in their garden.